Many beginners ask one important question: should you invest in index funds or individual stocks, and more importantly, which option is safer in 2026? Let's explain this in the simplest way. Index funds are investments that track the overall market. Instead of putting money into just one company, you invest in many companies at the same time. This gives you diversification, which helps reduce risk and makes index funds a simple and beginner-friendly way to start investing. On the other hand, individual stocks mean you invest in one specific company. Stocks can grow faster and even beat the market, but they also come with higher risk, bigger ups and downs, and the need for research, patience, and experience. So, which is safer for beginners in 2026? For most new investors, index funds are usually the safer starting point, because risk is spread across the whole market, instead of depending on a single company. A smart beginner strategy is simple: start with index funds, learn gradually, and explore individual stocks later as your knowledge grows. If you are just beginning, remember 3 steps. Start with a low-cost index fund, invest small amounts regularly, and stay invested for the long term. This simple approach has helped millions of people build wealth slowly and safely. If this video helped you understand investing better, like the video and subscribe for simple weekly finance guides. And tell me in the comments, will you start with index funds or individual stocks?